Evaluate integral 2x minus 3 upon x minus 1 into 2x plus 3 into dx. Solution. See, this is integral of 2x minus 3 upon x minus 1 into 2x plus 3. If you want to solve this one, first of all we have to solve this one by using partial fraction without considering the integral symbol. That means 2x minus 3 upon x minus 1 into 2x plus 3, which is equal to a partial fraction. So here observe the denominator have only two functions. First one is x minus 1, second one is 2x plus 3. So a upon the first denominator, that is x minus 1, plus b upon the second denominator is 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3, consider it is equation number 1. The next, that is equal to 2x minus 3 upon x minus 1 into 2x plus 3, which is equal to LCM. First one is x minus 1, second one is 2x plus 3. LCM is x minus 1 into 2x plus 3. Then multiply the cross multiplication. A into 2x plus 3. A into 2x plus 3 plus b into x minus 1. Now observe both sides the denominators are equal, so gets cancelled. The remaining is 2x minus 3, which is equal to a into 2x plus 3 plus b into x minus 1. Consider it is equation number 2. Now here we need to find a and b value. For that let a coefficient, what is the a coefficient here? 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now transform 3 to here, that is equal to 2x, which is equal to negative 3. Just we need to find only x value, so transfer 2 here, that is equal to x is equal to minus 3 by 2. This is the x value. Substitute this x value in equation number 2. So sub x is equal to minus 3 by 2 in equation number 2, that is equal to, what is equation number 2? 2x minus 3, 2 into x, but x is equal to minus 3 by 2, so minus 3 by 2 minus 3, which is equal to, substitute right hand side is a into 2 into x. We know that x is equal to minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2 plus 3 plus b into x minus 1, but x is equal to minus 3 by 2 minus 1. See here, 2 ones gets cancelled. Minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3, which is equal to a into here 2 cancel, minus 3 plus 3, this is 0, plus b into here minus 3 by 2 minus 1. We can write denominator 1, that is equal to, this is minus 6, which is equal to a into 0 is 0, need not to write 0 value. Then b into here LCM is first denominator 2, second denominator 1, so LCM is 2. Cross multiplication, minus 3 into 1 minus 3 minus 2 into 1, this is 2, which is equal to minus 6, which is equal to b into minus 3 minus 2, both have my negative value, so negative 5 by 2, that is equal to minus 6 is equal to minus 5 by 2 into b. See, observe both side negative values gets cancelled, that is equal to, then remaining 6 is equal to 5 by 2 b. We need to find only b value, so transfer here, that is equal to b is equal to 6 into, if we transfer here this will be reverse, 2 by 5, that is equal to 6 to the 12 by 5. Therefore b is equal to 12 by 5. This is the b value. In the same way, find a value. For that, b coefficient, what is the b coefficient here? X minus 1 is equal to 0. So to find a value, b coefficient as 0. That is, therefore, what is the b coefficient here? B coefficient is x minus 1. Let x minus 1 is equal to 0, transfer minus 1 to here, that is equal to x is equal to 1. Sub x is equal to 1 in equation number 2. We know that what is the equation number? This is the equation number 2. What is the equation number? 2x minus 3, which is equal to 2x plus 3 plus b into x minus 1. This is the equation number 2. So we are substituting x is equal to 1 in equation number 2. So here is x, 2 into x, but x is equal to 1, 1 minus 3, which is equal to a into, here is 2 into x again, but x is equal to 1, 1 plus 3 plus b into x. We know that x is equal to 1, 1 minus 1, that is equal to 2 into 1, 2 minus 3, which is equal to a into 2 into 1, 2 plus this is 3 plus 1 minus 1, it is 0, 0 into anything, 0, that is equal to, this is 2 minus 3, here 3 has negative value, so this is minus 1, is equal to a into 2 plus 3 is 5, 5a. We need to find only a value, so transfer here, that is equal to a is equal to minus 1 by 5. This is the a value, and b value is b value is 12 by 5, 12 by 5. Sub a and b values in equation number 1. See here, we successfully found a and b value. If you want to verify a, b values are right or wrong, need to substitute these a and b values in equation number 2. If we substitute here a and b values here, it will satisfy the LHS value. So now what is equation number 1? Here equation number 1, this is the equation number 1. Equation number 1 is 2x minus 3 upon x minus 1 into 2x plus 3, which is equal to a by x minus 1. So a by x minus 1 plus b by 2x plus 3. This is equation number 1. Now sub a and b values in equation number 1. This is a, this is b. This is the a value, this is the b value. Substitute those values in equation number 1. That is equal to LHS value 2x minus 3 upon x minus 1 into 2x plus 3, which is equal to a. A value is negative 1 by 5. Negative 1 by 5 whole upon x minus 1 plus b. B value is 12 by 5. 12 by 5 upon 2x plus 3. See here, 2x minus 3 upon x minus 1 into 2x plus 3, which is equal to minus 1 by, the denominator is 5. So 5 into x minus 1 plus here also denominator 5. 12 upon 5 into 2x plus 3. Now apply both side integral. Applying both side integrals, that is equal to integral of 2x minus 3 upon x minus 1 into 2x plus 3 dx. In the same way, apply the right hand side. Integral of 1 upon 5 into x minus 1 plus 12 upon 5 into 2x plus 3 whole into dx. See, this is the given question. That's why we are applying both side integral. That is equal to, now split the integral, first one and second one. Integral of 1 upon 5 into x minus 1 dx plus integral of 12 upon 5 into 2x plus 3 dx. See here, 1 by 5 is the constant, take it outside. Integral of 1 upon x minus 1 dx plus here is 12 by 5, both are constant, take it outside. In 12 by 5 integral 1 upon 2x plus 3 into dx. We know that integral of 1 by x plus a dx is equal to log of x plus a plus c. At the same time, integral of 1 upon ax plus b dx is equal to, here x coefficient is a, so 1 by a log of ax plus b plus c. Here first one is same, so before that it has 1 by 5 multiplication into log of both denominators are equal, so x plus a, here x minus 1, so x minus 1 plus, here is plus, here 12 by 5 whole into, this is a 12 by 5 into, here x coefficient is 2, in the formula x coefficient is a, so a is equal to 2. 1 by a, we know that a is equal to 2, 1 by 2 log of 2x plus 3 plus c, that is equal to 1 by 5 log of x minus 1 plus 12 into 1 12, 5 into 2 10 log of 2x plus 3 plus c. You may cancel 2 5s 2 6s. This is the answer.